Greetings to all of you from the LTS Center. I am Father John Rogers SJ, the LTS promoter for South Asia. Once there was a handsome little prince. He was to be succeeding to the throne after his father. Some of the ministers in the king's court were not very pleased with the king, as they were not able to go ahead with their corrupt ways and evil plans. They worked on strategies to overthrow the dynasty after the death of the king. So, as part of their scheme, they plotted an action plan to spoil the character of the little prince so that he will not be considered a fitting candidate to be the next king. They systematically worked on their wicked plan. They began to execute their evil plans by introducing the prince to a group of bad boys. These boys were instructed to teach the prince bad habits, dreadful words, and awful manners. As the prince joined them on the first day, they began their interaction with innocent games and jokes with one another, but slowly the boys tried to act smart before the prince by using bad words and bad jokes. They tried to influence him to join them. The prince was sharp enough to understand the nature of the company he was in. He joined them for the fun part of their company, but when they tried to get him to use dreadful words and bad manners, he would not budge. Finally, they inquired him the reason. He answered in a firm voice, "I am a prince. Having the royal blood in my veins, I do not negotiate or compromise on certain things." Keeping before us the excellent example given by the little prince, we will consider two things that we need to keep in mind as we build our personal lives. They are negotiable and non-negotiable. When we approach life in general and the events we organize in particular, especially in the LTS, we need to keep these two things in mind. This will depend on your understanding of life and approach to life. Here we explain these two concepts in the context of life and the LTS training program. Let us understand what we mean by negotiable. We know some things in life can be negotiated. This means we can bargain before we make a choice. For instance, you can negotiate between an iPhone and a tablet unless you are so rich to buy both of them. You can take the art stream or science stream for your +2 studies. You can negotiate. You can decide to join or not to join the LTS. Now, once you are in the LTS, again you can negotiate to be part of a particular program or to be out of it. For example, there are a number of programs organized in the LTS during the academic year, and you can negotiate and choose events according to your convenience. Thus, you can join Back to Green, the World Forest Week, or Teen Ductus, the LTS Student Leadership Conclave. Here, by choosing wisely from the options available, you learn the art of negotiating. Whether you like it or not, you constantly negotiate as you make your choices in life. It is very important to learn the art of negotiation, as the choices you make may build a better future or tear down your life. For instance, when confronted with the tough choices, you can opt for constructive choices or destructive choices. Some of your friends may force you to try drugs, but you can make a choice to stay away from such substance abusing habits and such friends, or succumb to their pressure and end up as a drug addict and live a miserable life thereafter. Here you see that you build your life on constant choices. But the good news is that you have a choice to negotiate. You can choose to be better or bitter, to be happy or unhappy. Since everything depends on your choices, learn to negotiate well with prudence. Now, let us deal with the non-negotiable. Non-negotiable can be of various types. One type of non-negotiable often comes after you respond to negotiable and make your choices. When you negotiate and make a choice, the story changes. For instance, once you choose or commit to yourself to an event, you cannot negotiate certain things that are integral to the nature of the event. You have agreed to be a part of it. Then the things that are essential part of the event will become non-negotiable for you. Let us consider another example. You may negotiate the time of the training sessions and fix a time according to the convenience of every participant. But once negotiated and fixed, reaching and starting the training on time becomes non-negotiable. Similarly, in the context of the COVID phenomenon, you may negotiate to be part of the LTS movement this year or not. But once you decide to be part of the LTS training program, subscribing to the LTS channel, viewing the videos as they are presented to you, liking them, writing constructive comments on each one of them, taking notes for your benefit, and sharing them with your relatives and friends become non-negotiable for you. But of course, you can negotiate when you would like to do them, on the day as they are released or on another earlier convenient time. In other words, we can say that when you say a big yes, so many small yeses are part of that big yes. When we speak of non-negotiable, we need to keep in mind that some aspects in life, by their intrinsic nature, cannot be negotiated. This brings us to the second type of non-negotiable. They constitute values, human qualities, morality, compassion, concern for environment, justice, a sound philosophy of life, and principles we hold as integral part of our life, and so on. Similarly, if we join the LTS, the values that the LTS promote cannot be negotiated if you want to be identified as a member of the movement. Here is a word of caution that may help you in dealing with non-negotiable or negotiable. Do not be confused between both. Do not exchange non-negotiable to negotiable or vice versa, be it in the LTS or in life. If you negotiate with certain things, they may affect the fabric of your life. So, clearly distinguish between the two. During this week, let us spend some time to reflect on negotiable and non-negotiable aspects in life. We will meet the next Saturday with another session. Continue to express your ideas and reflections through the comments you make. Make these sessions available to the rest of your family members, relatives and friends by sharing with them these videos. Let us support one another during this challenging time. May God bless you.